Good morning. It's October the 11th. It's a Wednesday. Market this morning in agricultural markets has started off where it left off yesterday. Quiet markets up slightly right now in cotton are very close to unchanged as I look at the market. And the grain markets are slightly lower. Looking around the board at other things, we've got the energy markets up a small amount. The dollar's down. Gold and silver are down. Looking at the global stock markets, Asia closed up with the Hang Seng of the Hong Kong Exchange Index down 0.3%. It was the only of the indexes that were down. Everything else was up. Europe going the other direction. All of the indexes in Europe, stock indexes, are down with the exception of one, IBEX, the Spanish index, stock index, and it seems to go the opposite direction of everything else. It's up 1.27%. In the U.S. right now, the early indications are for the indexes to be down. As far as news goes, what's coming in front of us tomorrow, we've got the crop report at 11 o'clock, very important. And then we've got our exports pushed back from Thursday to Friday. Those are the big news items coming out. Let's look and see where we are. Cotton up 3 in March. 68.98, a high of 69.45, a low of 68.86. We have November soybeans down a quarter at 9.65 3/4, a high of 9.67, a low of 9.63.5. December corn down 1 3/4 at 3.47.5, a high of 3.49, a low of 3.47. March wheat down 2. I'm sorry, that's December. December wheat down 2 at 4.33 1/4, a high of 4.35.5. A low of 4.32 3/4. We have crude oil up 4 cents a barrel at 50.96 in the November crude. Dollar down 14, gold down 2, silver down 4, and the S&P futures last are trading down 2. Looking at the crop progress report that came out yesterday, cotton had improved, good to excellent category, 60%. Previous week it had been 57%, so that's noteworthy. Bowls open at 72%. This time of the year normally is 78%. Harvested, the crop is 25% harvested. This time of the year the normal is 19%. Soybeans, 61% good to excellent. That's a slight improvement over the previous week of 60%. Harvested, 36% harvested soybeans. The average for this time of the year is 43%. Corn, 64% good to excellent. Previous week, 63% good to excellent. Harvested 22%. This time of the year normally is 34%. So for corn and soybeans, we're behind the average for where we are as far as harvest, but the crop improved slightly from the previous week. Winter wheat, 48% is planted. This time of the year normally is 58%, so we're behind schedule there. And the winter wheat has emerged at 25%. This time of the year normally is 30%. That is it. Have a good day, and we will talk to you later. Thank you.